So over here, you can see that I'm in the Google Jamboard interface. And if I were to go around, select the pen tool, draw out something right here, then you can see that I have an information. I can keep on adding in information, but sometimes what might happen is that the information you might have added may be a mistake and you might want to undo that thing out. So to do that, you can go on to the top left and you can see that undo is an option. And once you click on it, it undoes out your action. We can undo that again, but if you intended not to do undo right there, you can also redo the thing right here. You can undo as much as you want and then you can redo, but once you draw on top of it, then what happens is that you don't have the redo option anymore. Everything else is replaced out. Similarly, if you were to undo right here, hover around, you can see the shortcut key that is Ctrl Z is there, which you can use to undo thing out right here. And for redo, it's Ctrl Y. Whenever you draw out something, you might want to zoom out things as well. So to zoom out things, you can go around over here onto the zoom tool right here. You can click on it right here. So once you click on zoom, you can click and zoom things around right here. Or you can go around and then fit it out right here. You can go around, fit it to 25%. You can go around, fit it to 50% right here, 100%, 200%, or you can use the zoom in and out option right over here as well. You can zoom in right here, you can zoom out right here just like this. So zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, and this is what you have, as you can see. You can also use the scroll mouse button to scroll this up and down, and on the bottom you can see that this is the scroll option over here as well. And that is how you can work around with undo, redo, and zoom option inside of Google Jamboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.